Imagine a world beneath the sea where fire and water unite in a dramatic display of nature's raw power. Picture underwater eruptions that create new landscapes and release immense energy. It might sound like a scene from a fantasy movie, but it's actually a reality hidden beneath the ocean's surface. These spectacles are not just awe-inspiring, they're also hotspots for marine biodiversity and untapped sources of energy. So let's dive into the fascinating world of underwater volcanoes. Seamounts and Guyots. Underwater mountain majesty. Seamounts and Guyots are the submerged mountains of the ocean, standing tall as silent sentinels to a fiery past. These underwater landforms are the remnants of once active volcanoes that have since gone quiet, their fiery breath extinguished, leaving behind only their solid, stony bodies. Seamounts, with their apexes reaching towards the surface, bear witness to ancient eruptions, while Guyots, once towering above the waves, now lie flat on the ocean floor, their tops worn smooth by the relentless action of waves and currents. These underwater giants play a crucial role in shaping the marine environment. Their rugged slopes provide attachment surfaces for a myriad of marine organisms, creating thriving ecosystems that teem with life. As light penetrates the sunlit upper layers of the ocean, these seamounts and guyots become beacons for photosynthesis. Microscopic phytoplankton, the primary producers of the ocean, gather at these sites, kick-starting a cascade of life. This abundance of life attracts larger animals, forming intricate food webs that make these areas hotspots for marine biodiversity. The rich biodiversity of seamounts and guyots is a testament to their importance in the marine ecosystem. They are home to an array of species found nowhere else, from deep-sea corals to unique fish populations. These areas serve as havens for endangered species and act as stepping stones for marine creatures traversing the vast ocean expanse. Underwater volcanoes, explosive ocean interiors. In the darkest depths of our oceans, where sunlight dares not tread, there are signs of a fiery existence. Hydrothermal vents and black smokers belching forth superheated water and minerals paint a picture of Earth's inner furnace. These vents are the windows to the intense geological activity occurring beneath the ocean's surface. Some of these underwater volcanoes erupt explosively, sending massive amounts of water vapor, rock, and ash into the surrounding ocean. Others, known as lava lakes, erupt more gently, oozing out vast quantities of molten lava that solidify into new ocean floor. But how do these underwater volcanoes form? The answer lies deep within the Earth's mantle, where tectonic plates converge. At mid-ocean ridges, magma rises from the Earth's core and solidifies, creating new oceanic crust. But it's not just about creation. These volcanic eruptions can also be destructive, forming deep trenches where two plates collide. The Pacific Ring of Fire is a prime example, where the subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Philippine Sea Plate has resulted in the Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean. The formation of underwater volcanoes is a continuous process. New volcanoes are born as magma chambers fill up and erupt, reshaping the ocean floor over time. For instance, the axial seamount in the Pacific Ocean, a towering undersea volcano, grows about 4 inches or 10 centimeters per year through small, frequent eruptions. This slow and steady growth adds to the ever-changing landscape of the ocean bed. Explosive underwater volcanic eruptions can have profound implications for marine life. The sudden release of energy can trigger earthquakes and tsunamis, shaking the very foundations of the ocean. The force of these events can devastate marine habitats, altering the balance of ecosystems in a moment. On the other hand, these eruptions also create new habitats. The cooling lava can provide surfaces for organisms to colonize, kick-starting the formation of new reefs and deep-sea ecosystems. Underwater volcanoes, vents, and oases of life. Vent fields are the dramatic undersea counterparts of geysers and hot springs found in terrestrial hot springs. These oases of bubbling water are scattered across the ocean floor, each a unique ecosystem unto itself. In the frigid depths of the deep sea, hydrothermal vents emerge as beacons of warmth, fueled by the Earth's internal heat. They create a surprising haven for life in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Hydrothermal vents, often called black smokers due to the dark plumes they emit, are the sites of intense geological activity. They release superheated water that is rich in dissolved minerals and chemicals. These minerals form striking black clouds that drift through the water column, creating a dramatic contrast against the backdrop of the deep sea. Another type of vent, known as white smokers, emit lighter colored plumes due to the different chemical composition of the fluids they release. In the extreme environment of deep-sea hydrothermal vents, life finds a way to not just survive, but thrive. Organisms like giant tube worms, which don't have mouths or digestive systems, form symbiotic relationships with bacteria that harness the energy from the vents. These bacteria form the base of the food chain, supporting a diverse community of animals including crabs, shrimp, and fish. Entire ecosystems flourish around these vents, independent of sunlight, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Underwater volcanoes and the power of the deep. The ocean floor is not a static realm, but a dynamic and ever-changing environment shaped by the forces of plate tectonics and volcanic activity. As plates converge, diverge, or collide, they create a complex dance of mountain building, valley formation, and trenching. This continuous reshaping of the ocean bed has profound implications for marine life. For instance, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a vast mountain range that stretches from the Arctic Ocean to the Southern Ocean, is a testament to the power of plate tectonics. As the North American and Eurasian plates move apart, magma rises to fill the gap, creating new ocean floor and mountain peaks along the ridge. These underwater mountain chains act as migration corridors for marine species, allowing them to disperse across vast distances. Underwater volcanoes and vents are not just geological wonders, they are vital components of the ocean's ecosystem. They support unique and diverse communities of marine life and play a key role in the global carbon cycle. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we uncover more about these fascinating features and their importance to our planet. Volcanoes beneath the waves, energy from the depths. The ocean's depths hold secrets that could revolutionize our energy needs. Volcanoes beneath the waves are not just geological marvels, they are potential powerhouses of renewable energy. The heat emanating from these underwater giants could provide a sustainable and virtually inexhaustible source of energy. Tapping into this energy is no easy feat. It requires drilling into the ocean floor to access the heat contained within the Earth's crust. However, the potential rewards are immense. The energy released by these volcanoes is vast and consistent, making it an attractive alternative to fossil fuels. Geothermal energy from underwater volcanoes could provide a clean and efficient way to generate electricity, reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, and mitigate climate change. Challenges and future prospects. While the idea of harvesting energy from underwater volcanoes is promising, comes with its own set of challenges. The harsh environment of the deep sea, high pressure and corrosive elements pose significant engineering challenges. Additionally, the environmental impact of such energy extraction needs to be carefully considered to avoid disrupting the fragile deep-sea ecosystem. As technology advances and our understanding of the ocean deepens, the prospect of harnessing this clean energy source becomes more attainable. With careful planning and innovative engineering, we may one day be able to turn the Earth's fiery depths into a sustainable energy powerhouse. Underwater volcanoes, vents, and seamounts are not just intriguing geological features. They are vibrant ecosystems and potential sources of renewable energy. As we continue to explore the ocean's depths, we uncover more about these fascinating phenomena and their importance to our planet. From the rich biodiversity of seamounts to the unique life forms that thrive around vents, the ocean floor is a realm of wonder and discovery. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the fascinating realm of underwater volcanoes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below to stay updated with our latest content. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you never miss out on our captivating explorations of the natural world. Dive into more incredible underwater discoveries by checking out the related videos. Keep exploring and stay curious. Until next time, farewell.